we are really, really lucky that we were working on a diesel and not a gasoline powered car, because that could have ended up in an explosion. Hi-ho, Keegan the vlog here. Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a different kind of an episode today. We're going to check in on a few different things. We're going to go see the DeLorean. The front of the DeLorean is being worked on right now. Just correcting some 40 years of sun weathering to the plastic. So we're going to go see how that's going. It is perfect, gorgeous day out here. Perfect day for a Ferrari 308. However, later on this afternoon, we're supposed to get some severe weather, and I don't want to get caught out in a hailstorm with the Ferrari. So sadly, we will not be taking the Ferrari today. Let's go check out some stuff. The quotes crack me up because it suggests that you're actually something else. What are they really?
It works.
Hello. Got the car dog too. My needs this real bad. Is that a Vista Cruiser? Holy it's a Vista Cruiser! Yeah! This is amazing. Where did you get this thing?
You can't find the glass for it.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I do have one guy that's got a set of the 3 pieces of glass for the top. $5 grand.
I'd snatch it. So is this one of your own projects, or is it a
restoration?
Is it a customer's, or is it your? Yeah.
And we're redoing this. Now this is my first motor build we're doing. So we got the whole motor out of it.
Oh.
Rebuilding the motor, new tranny. So we're gonna paint all this up, clean this all up.
It actually doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape at all.
A nice 350. And it's gonna be fun. These things go for a lot of money.
Trucks are so expensive.
So this is going on Bring a Trailer. The 30th anniversary Firebird.
Look at that.
We got it. You got the door open. We're gonna look at the DeLorean. We're fine. Okay.
Beautiful. Absolutely. This is going on Bring a Trailer.
Yeah.
This thing will fetch a fortune.
Yeah, I'm ready for you to come in here and just...
Oh, there's the. Oh yeah, look at that. That's all that stuff off. What about the TR3 nose? What have you got anybody working on that?
On your front end?
Yeah, that Triumph, that the nose section.
It's
You got somebody working on it?
yeah, it's right over there.
Oh.
You can't do anything with this thing. You'd have to.
Yeah, I mean it needs. I'll take it back and just spend some time with it. You got to bang on it for hours. There she is. So you got the headlights out. You know what? I might buy new headlights.
I was just gonna say, if you want to research, even that bumper.
Ooh, wow! Look at this, man. This is This is what they call Ausgang in German. Damn.
That's all covered. I mean, you don't see it with the other cover
No.
once that goes on there. But so we were gonna try and find some kind of a membrane similar to that. But yeah, if you could get new.
Yeah. Wow. Just crumbles. It just crumbles in your fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. How is that held on? Are there fasteners, or is this part of the? This isn't part of the frame, is it?
Bumper, you mean?
Yeah.
Cover?
No, the bumper itself. Wow. Every time you peel something back on this car, you find more crap to deal with. This car kicks you in the balls, lets you get back up, and then kicks you in the balls again. All right, so we've got some DeLorean parts to order. Haven't done that in a hot minute. I'm sure DeLorean of Houston is wondering where the hell I've been. It's starting to feel like an episode of freaking Hoovie's Garage. Well, looky what we have here. I haven't been here in a week. Wow. I don't even know what this is, other than maybe an auto union. DKW Junior Deluxe. I have a sneaky suspicion this is Steve's. Wow. She's rusty. Door doesn't actually close. All right, well, we'll see what Steve has to say about this when he shows up. Some interior work going on here. I pulled the driver door card off because this was loose. The fabric was loose at the bottom. Obviously, it's really dirty. I was hoping to clean this up a little bit, but I was thinking maybe we would be able to reinforce the bottom. But if you look at this door card, it is shot. So the bottom of this door card is just shot, and like, I mean, it's just crumbling. So I'm gonna see if I can find a good used one on eBay. Okay, folks, serious moment here. This is the diesel return line. This is the diesel supply line. That melted from welding the patches, welding the holes. We are really, really lucky that we were working on a diesel and not a gasoline powered car, because that could have ended up in an explosion. This stuff gets really, really hot. So a little bit scary there after the fact. Proper way to do this probably would have been to drop the tank completely, being so close to the tank with welding. In the future, that's what I'll probably do, err on the side of caution, and just take the fuel cell out completely. The other thing that happened is after I found out that happened, I went about getting some of the brake lines and other things out of the way so I did not repeat melting something else critical, and that line broke. So I think what I'm going to be doing here is deleting the water separator here. That's really from a bygone era of problems with water and diesel fuel. We don't really have that problem anymore. So I think I'm just going to delete that altogether, and we'll just have a simple supply and a return line, and that'll be that. I will save this, however, because I think they're kind of unobtainium. So anyway, important safety tip: welding around fuel, bad plan, man. Just, oh, that could have gone a lot worse. That could have gone really bad. Anyway, safety tip: this is not how-to videos. Please don't watch this as a how-to video. Entertainment only. All right, so we've got the kill mat down. Probably put some under the back seat too. And then we got to start working on the carpet padding. It's right there. That's next. Booyah! Okay, before I put these seats back in, I am going to replace these plastic sliders because I have some, and there's a little bit of slop in the seat, and it's making it difficult to engage the lock pin, and I suspect it's because these are worn down and the seat has too much, just too much play in the track. So I have some and the seat's off, so let's do that. One ringy dingy. Things we need to do before Radwood. We got to fix the horns. We have to change the fuel filter. We looks like we might have a leak at the oil cooler. I'm going to look and see if there's an O-ring in there that we can maybe replace and fix that. Hopefully we don't need a new oil cooler, because I bet those are pretty hard to come by these days. I'm going to try to get a new windshield for the car. The crack is really distracting and probably not safe. We've got the door cards to work on. Most of the rest of the stuff I'm going to talk about is cosmetic. We got the door card on the driver's side to work on. We're going to try to clay bar the body and really get that cleaned up and see where the real rust spots, where the bad spots are, and if that's something that we can tackle. Don't know if we're going to get to that before Radwood, so this might still be looking a little rough at the Radwood, but hey, I think that's going to be all right, because this is a true survivor. A true rad survivor, but I think I might drive it to work a couple times between now and then, just to give her the old shakedown and make sure we're good to go on a road trip. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, please consider liking and subscribing. That really helps the channel grow. If there's something you want to see us do, leave some suggestions in the comments. I appreciate you watching. Thanks. See you next time.